we are about to practice, and they are the one that will be practicing. So we parents are the one to be guiding them. So I'll be calling on Chidebere to come and practice how to use Scratch. So we have started. Now, before we start the Scratch lessons, we have to sign in. Parents, see the mouse here, you have to sign in. You have to create a profile. Me, I created my profile with my name so that I will not have a lot of children creating profile. I have one profile which is my name. As you can see, I use my name Chinelo Okafor to create a profile, and we sign in. So by the time you finish creating your profile, you sign in. So Chidebere, I want you to click on create. Yeah, this is create. Good. So it is, you are here to click on it well again. Click on it again. So if it's rolling, that means you clicked well. So it is loading now. This is the Scratch platform. So Chidebere, children, before you start practicing, I want to navigate around this platform so I can be able to understand how to go about it. First of all, this is the code menu. Under the code menu, you have different blocks of command, different blocks of code. So these are the motion, these are the commands for the motion. You have the one of move 10 step. Click on move 10 step. Let's see what the cat will do. You see? Did it move? So you click on the turn 15 degree. Yeah, turn 15 degree. So children, as you click on turn 15 degree, what's happened?
The car turned 15 degree clockwise.
It's turned clockwise. And the second one, you click on the second one, what happened?
The car turned 15 degree anti-clockwise.
It turns clockwise. Now it turns anti-clockwise. So now these are various commands, and children, you see what they call glide, and you'll be wondering what is glide, right?
Yes.
So you know what we will do? We'll learn a skill today. We'll learn how to use the Google search to search for commands that we don't know about. So Chidebere, click on the new tab because we want to know what is glide. So when your child does not understand a particular command, you have to make him to search, or he search by himself. So let's teach our children how to use the Google search, adding a new skill to our children. Now type glide. Hover your mouse around the Google, you click on it. So type glide. That's G-L-I-D-E, then you put a space bar, then type meaning, M-E. So you see the meaning have already come out itself. So for you to, it wants you to complete. For you to complete, you then click on enter. This is enter. Pass security guides. So now this is glide. So what did number one say? Who can read it for us?
Move with a smooth, quiet, continuous motion.
Very good, children. You are so smart. So move with a, that means a glide. That means the object will move in a smooth, quiet, or continuous motion. So now that means this cat will move in a smooth motion. So Chidebere, you know what? Let us play the glide and see what it will do. Glide. Click on it. Click the second glide. You see, it moved in a continuous motion. It moved in a continuous motion. So the children are already learning fast. So now you can explore other things. Anyone you don't understand, you Google it. Children, parents, also guide them in those words. Now you have to set x to, you say change x by 10. So children, let's learn a little of maths. When they say x, what do they mean?
Move side. Move side.
Which side? Show me. Stand up and show me what they mean by x.
This side. Move this way.
Exactly. You move forward. You move forward, that's x. Y is what?
You move up.
You move up. That's very good. Obichukwu, that's very good. Steve, that's very good. Ifeoma, yes. So if they say you should move downward, what is going to be?
Yeah,
downward.
-1.
-1. Correct. Clap for yourself. Clap. Then when they say you should move backward,
-x.
-x. Correct. Clap for yourself. So you see, you are also learning maths in Scratch. You are learning Google search. So that you see why you have to expose your children to coding, because they are not just learning how to code, they are learning mathematics, they are learning Google search, they are learning a lot of things. So parents, it is good you allow your children to explore this platform. Three things. So now you have the look and you have the sound. Children, what is sound? You know sound, you can be able to hear it. So Chidebere, click on the first sound. Move your mouse and click on it. You can you hear that? What are you hearing?
A cat music.
Exactly, cat music. So Scratch is wonderful. We thank MIT for giving us a free website for our children, a free coding language such as Scratch for our children to learn. We thank MIT for that. So this is the sound. Children, you can see the sound menu, the sound block. We have the event block. We have we're still under the code menu. We have the control. We have the sensing. We have the operator. We have the variable. We have my block. My block is for you to create your block when you advance. So, my dear children, you can be able to learn about how to make your own block when we advance in class. So that is just under the code block. We also have the costume, where you can be able to change the costume. We have the sound, where we can be able to make the sound faster. We will explore all that when we are doing projects. So we have the choose a sound. You can be able to choose a different sound. That is the menu for choose a sound. We have also the sprites. It's not the sprite that the Coca-Cola Sprite or Fanta. No, this is the sprite, the object in question. You can delete the object and go to choose a sprite and choose a different sprite entirely. We will explore that, children. This is it. You see, you can choose another sprite that you want. So we'll go back there, don't worry. We have also the backdrop. The backdrop is you can change the background. You click on the background, you change it. So now this is all about it. So children, now it's time to ask me a question on the environment of this Scratch.
Mom.
Yes, ask me.
What is if we press,
go and touch it.
If we press this, what will happen?
As I told you earlier, it's an added extension. When you press it, you see it have other extension. You can make a chalk project. You can do Lego Mindstorm. You can do so many things. It's just an extension of so many other added activities you can do. You can even play instruments.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
So now, Thank you for the question, Obichukwu. That reminds me, I want to tell you about Scratch. The uses of Scratch, children. Scratch can be used to make games. Say it.
Scratch can be used to make games.
Scratch can be used to make animations.
Scratch can be used to make animations.
When I say animation, what do I mean?
Like cartoon.
Exactly, cartoon. And Scratch can be used to make music.
And Scratch can be used to make music.
So if I'm what do you want to use Scratch to do? Music, good. Chidebere, what do you want to use Scratch to do? You are still thinking, fine. Obichi, what do you want to use Scratch to do?
I want to use it game.
Good.
Games.
Game. And you, Chidebere? Game. Ah, the boys want game and the girls want music. So that's very good. We are going to use Scratch to do music, games in this our class. So today, we have other questions to ask before we call it a day. Just look at the environment. Where are you confused? Look at the environment. Where are you confused? Tell me. You know, today we are navigating on, we want to understand the platform so that next time we are building a project. So,
I'm confused on this. My block.
Make a block. Yes, when you are advanced, you will make a block. You can be able to make a block by yourself. You can customize block by yourself. These are blocks. These are blocks. So by the time you are advanced, you can be able to make your own blocks. So what else?
How can you use the computer to make music?
How you can use computer to make music. Here we will do a project of music. All of you will do your own project. I will teach you how to make music, how to make game, how to make cartoon. I'll teach you here in this our lesson. Then when you understand it, all of you one after the other will make project by yourself from beginning to finish. Any other question?
No.
So thank you parents at home. Thank you children. Please play around the platform. Next time we will start working on projects. I will teach this my children, and I hope parents at home will be teaching your children, following me to make this project. After making this project, they will make the project by themselves. So I hope you had fun learning Scratch platform today. Thank you.
Yeah.